Duracon uPVC Rainwater Gutter and Downspout System. Gutter and downspout system made of uPVC, which is best for draining rainwater from roofs of houses and factories. Advantages: gutter, downspout and full range of accessories including PVC gutter bracket and PVC downspout clamp. White color is built in permanently, however it can be painted to any color desired using latex paint. Clean, smooth and attractive appearance. Concealed brackets preserve the neatness and the clean line of the gutter. The smooth surface contributes to a better water flow. UV resistant. The entire system is made from uPVC, which incorporated an ultraviolet light inhibitor, formulated to stand up to strong sunlight and resist embrittlement. Maintenance free. The rigid uPVC material will not corrode, chip, rust, blister, peel or wear away. Easy to install. Is lightweight and uses basic tools to install the gutter and downspout system. Application: residential and commercial. Agriculture hydroponics. Installation of gutter and accessories. Measure the desired length. Cut using a toothed saw. Remove rough edges. Attach the necessary fitting accessories such as gutter connector, end cap, inside and outside corner gutter using Atlanta solvent cement. Hold assembly for 15 seconds before release. Installation of dropper outlet. Determine where to place the dropper outlet. Put a mark on the gutter. Cut off marked portion using a drill or hacksaw. Insert dropper outlet and apply solvent cement and hold the assembly for a minute of 15 seconds. Install and align internal bracket at a distance. Put a mark on the gutter. Nail or screw the brackets including the gutter to supporting structures such as a fascia board.